Today I'm going to teach you how to trade using Revolut, as it's a feature that a lot of people don't really know about because most of the people are here for the virtual cards. But what you're going to want to do is search up Revolut just like this and go ahead and click on this website. Then once you're here, you're going to need to select which country you're from. So either you're from the United States, United Kingdom, or a different country, and it'll lead you down the path that you're supposed to be on. But obviously I'm from the United States, so I'm going to go ahead and click log in. Then it's going to lead me to this. So basically it's going to show me a QR code. Scan the QR code on your phone camera app. It'll lead you into the app so you can verify that you are actually you. It might also ask you for a PIN, so go ahead and type in that PIN number. And if you forgot it, you can always just call them up or just reset it manually. So once you're actually on the website here, what you're going to want to do is head over to the top right. Go ahead and click this, or actually go ahead and click this little square dotted thing. And here is basically where you can invest. So as you can see, there's Revolut Banking, Revolut Business, Revolut Invest, Revolut X, and Revolut People. What we're after is Revolut Invest. And go ahead and sign up to this, and that's how you trade with Revolut. If this was helpful, consider subscribing.